Hello students, today in this particular video we are here with our exercise 13.4 which is based on area of the triangles. So in our previous class we have discussed how to find the area of triangles, then what is base, what is altitude, how many types of triangles are there and many more. So now before starting our class, let us recall what was the formula of the area of the triangle. So first of all let us consider this is our triangle and you name it as A, B, C, and base this line segment BC is base and this is altitude, and another was median. Median was when we draw a line segment from a vertex to its opposite side, to the middle of the opposite side, it was median. And altitude was what? When we draw a line segment from a vertex to its opposite side and the line is perpendicular to the opposite side, right? It was median. Okay, so we found the area of the triangle like this, right? Half into base into height, and we have found the formula from the parallelogram, yes, or a quadrilateral, clear. Okay, so now let's start our exercise. And here the first question is, find the area of a triangle whose base is 15 centimeter and altitude is 12.6 centimeter. Okay, let us consider this triangle. Here base is 15 centimeter, so in place of B we will write 15, and altitude is 12.6 centimeter, so in place of altitude we will write 12.6. Base 15 centimeter and altitude 12.6 centimeter. So first of all we'll write solution, then the information which is given in the question. Here base is given, altitude is given, and we have to find area. So we'll write given base of triangle. Base of triangle, here base means what? BC, right? Base of triangle BC equals 15 centimeter. Then altitude, of triangle. Yes, in our previous class I have asked you that the difference between altitude and height, there was something a bit difference, right? So now you can answer in the comment box. So the altitude of the triangle, altitude is suppose AD equals how much? 12.6 centimeter, right? Now we know area of triangle is half into base into height, so we'll simply use this formula and then find out the area of the triangle. So we'll write we know area of triangle. We know area of triangle. Here the triangle name is ABC. We know area of triangle ABC equals half into base into height. So in place of half we will write, yes, 1/2. In place of base it is 15, and in place of height we will write 12.6. so now we can cancel 12.6 with 2. So 2 into 6 is 12.3. So our next line will be 15 into 6.3. So we'll continue 15 into 6.3. So now we have to multiply 6.3 with 15. Clear? Okay. 6.3 15. 5 into 3 is 15, the remainder 1. 6 into 5 is 30 plus 1, 31. Then 3, 6. So 5, 4, 9. Then this point. So it will be 94.5. It is area, right? 1 centimeter is there, 1 centimeter, so it will be centimeter square. So we have find out the area of the triangle whose base is 15 centimeter and altitude is 12.6 centimeter. Its area is 94.5 centimeter square. Clear? So the last line will write hence the area of the triangle is 94.5 centimeter square. Hence the area of triangle ABC is 94.5 centimeter square. Very easy, right? We have to just put the values of base and height, then our result will be there. So this was our first question. Now let's move to our second question. In our previous video we have already discussed question number 2, right? So now we will move question number 3. Here the question is the area of a triangle is 126 centimeter square and its base is 18 centimeter. Find its altitude. So this type of question also we have discussed in our previous class. So again let us solve. So area of triangle is given 126 centimeter and its base is given 18 centimeter. Now we will find its altitude. So first of all we will write solution, then given the information given in the questions, right? So given area of triangle equals 126 centimeter square. Then its base, right? Base of triangle. Base of triangle it is 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. So how did we solve this type of questions in our previous class? We have we have written area of triangle is how much? 126 centimeter, and in place of area of triangle we have written a half into base into height. Then we have substituted their values, then we change the side. So we find out what is asked in the questions, right? So we will do it the same process. So that since area of triangle equals 126 centimeter square. So in place of area of triangle we will write the formula, which is half into base into altitude or height equals 126. So in place of half we will write half, then in place of base of triangle, that is 18, and height equals 126. Clear? Okay, now we will continue here. So here look, 2 and 18 will got cancelled, and it will be what? 9, right? 2 into 9 is 18. So now our next line will be 9 into h. 9 into h equals 126. Clear? Okay, now we know one thing. When a number is multiplied with a variable, so to find the variable we change the side of the number, right? And in the process, if it is multiplied, it will got divide. So we will write h equals 126 divided by 9. So we will cancel 9 into 1 is 9, then 11, 10, 11, 12, 3 left, 3, 6, 9 into 4 is 36. So we will write h equals 14 centimeter. We will write hence altitude of the triangle as the altitude of the triangle is 14 centimeter. So now if you have any doubt, you can put the values of height and base, if you multiply with half, then you will get 126 centimeter square. So this is our altitude of the triangle whose base is 126 centimeter square and whose altitude whose area is 126 centimeter square and base is 18 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So now let's move to our fourth question. So here is our fourth question. Find the area of the following triangles. There were 3 triangles in your book, right? I have drawn only 2. One you must solve yourself, because if you don't try, this is not possible, right? You must solve a few questions from your side. So now I will solve 2 and the remaining one you will solve. Here the first is a triangle name is ABC whose altitude is 12 centimeter and base is 13 centimeter. So we will write solution, then altitude that is AD, altitude comma AD equals 12 centimeter, then base comma BC equals 13 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now we know area of triangle. We know area of triangle ABC equals half into base into height or altitude. So we will write half, base is 13 and 12 will cancel with 6. So 13 into 6 is how much? 78 centimeter square. So we will write hence area of the triangle ABC is 78 centimeter square. Like this we will also solve. Here this dotted line, what this dotted line is not included in this area, right? We have just extended it to find out the height. Clear? Okay. So now here altitude, we will write solution. Then altitude is how much? Altitude PS, it is 5 centimeter. We will write altitude comma PS equals 5 centimeter. Then base comma QR, base it is 10 centimeter, and we know area of the triangle. The name of the triangle here is PQR. Area of triangle PQR equals half into base into height. So in place of half we will write 1/2. Base is 10 centimeter and altitude is 5 centimeter. Clear? So we will cancel 2 with 5. So here remain 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So its area will be 25 centimeter square. And last we will write hence area of triangle PQR is 25 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. Okay, let us write hence area of triangle ABC is 78 centimeter square, and in this case hence area of triangle PQR is 25 centimeter square. Okay. So we are here with our fifth question. This question is a bit different type of questions from which we have solved earlier, right? In earlier cases, in question it was given the area was given, then base was given, we have find out altitude, or altitude is given, base is given, we have find out area, like. But in this case, base and altitude is not given directly, but they are in the ratio 25:3, and area is given, which is 600 centimeter square. Now we have to find its altitude and base from the ratio 25:3. Clear? Okay. So we don't know what will be the base and altitude. So we'll consider it as base will be base base will be 25x and altitude will be 3x. Oh sorry, altitude will be 25x. Look here, the altitude and base, right? So first one will be 20 altitude and base will be 3. So consider, first of all we will write let the altitude and base of the triangle B, altitude will be 25 with 25x and base, altitude and base of the triangle will be 25x and 3x respectively. Respectively means which comes earlier, it will be the value of the earlier one. So now we know the altitude is 25x and base is 3x, so we will multiply both of them with half and we will get the result, which is 600 centimeter square. So we will write now, or we know area of triangle, area of triangle equals how much? 600 centimeter square, and we know the formula is the half into base into height equals 600. We will write half base is how much? It is 3x into height is 25x equals 600. Clear? Okay. Now look here, 2 is divided, right? So when we change the side, it will got multiply. Right? Okay. We will do it in the next step. Now numerator into numerator multiply. 3 into 25 is 75. X into x is x square divided by 2 equals 600. Up to this clear, right? Okay. Now here 2 is multiplied, so when we change the side, it will got divide. Sorry, it is divided, right? So when we change the side, it will got multiplied, and this 75 is multiplied. Okay, we will do one step by one step. So first of all, let us move this 2 to the right hand side. So it will be 75x square equals 600 into 2. Clear? This is divide, so instead the side it got multiplied. Okay. Now again, now this 75 is multiplied with x square, so when we change the side, it will got divide. So 600 into 2 divided by 75. Now we can cancel with 5. 5 1 5 5 5 1 5 2 left 2 5 5 into 5 is 25. 5 1 5 1 left, then 1 0 5 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10, then again 0, and again with 5 into 3 5 into 2 10 2 0 5 into 4. Clear? 5 into 4 20, then 3 into 8 is 24. So left is 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16, isn't it? 8 into 2, it is 16. So we will write x square equals 16. Okay. Now this is square, right? We can change the side of the square, or we can do it like this: x square, and 16 is the square of 4. So we can write it as 4 square. Clear? So now we will cancel square square. So our value of x is 4. We will write x equals 4. Clear? Up to this? Okay. Now our altitude was 25x. So we will multiply 25 with 4, and base was 3x. So it will be 3 into 4. Okay. So now we will write now altitude altitude of the triangle. Altitude of the triangle equals 25x. So it will be multiplied 25 into 4. 25 into 4 is 100 centimeter, and base was 3x. Base equals 3x. So 3 into 4 is 12 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So we have find out the altitude as well as base. Okay. So the altitude is 200 centimeter and base is 12 centimeter. So this is for today's class, and the remaining 5 questions we will solve in our next, and then we will conclude our long chapter, which is the perimeter and area.